Hi, this is Danny Vieira, the director of the Risen Online School. I want to tell you today a little bit about myself and why you should take this course called Risen. I'm a wellness expert who's been in the wellness business for over 30 years. I did live radio for 15 years, and I hosted many of the most renowned health educators and doctors and natural healers in the world. My program aired worldwide for over 15 years, and people knew me as a wellness expert who specialized in cleansing and detoxifying the 7 elimination organs of the body. Yes, we talk thoroughly about colon cleansing and how you can eliminate parasites from the body in this course. I also did a national infomercial on cleansing and detoxification that was a blockbuster, that millions of people contacted the station to order products on how to cleanse and detoxify their body of the poisons, the impurities, the pesticides, the chemicals, and the parasites. I'm also the director of Bella Vita Lifestyle Center besides Risen. At Bella Vita, we get patients that come from all over the world with every type of different disease, not wanting typical allopathic medicine, chemotherapy, radiation, or surgery, but they're looking for options. They're looking for natural alternatives. I've also hosted health and healing crusades for many years in California, where some of the top renowned doctors and natural healers came, and that's part of this course as well. So what is in this course and what is it all about? These classes include scientific factual lectures from some of the most notable alternative health professionals in the field of nutritional science and natural healing, prevention, and cure. Dr. T. Colin Campbell, who wrote the book, The China Study. Dr. John McDougall, Dr. Russell Blaylock, noted neurosurgeon who wrote the book Excitotoxins, The Taste That Kills. Dr. Neil Barnard, the president of the Physicians Committee of Responsible Medicine. And one of my favorites, Charlotte Gerson, the daughter of Max Gerson, who cured incurable people of terminal diseases, even cancer, using diet therapy. You're going to learn about the 8 laws of health that are based on biblical principles. You're going to learn about how attitude can affect your health, and negative emotions, or what I call toxic emotions, could be killing you. So what will you get out of this course? You're going to get 18 hours of content on the true art of healing. Don't you want to learn how you can prevent and even reverse chronic diseases using simple natural remedies and adjusting your lifestyle habits? You're also going to learn some powerful detoxification techniques in this School of Natural Hygiene. You're going to learn how to cleanse the 7 elimination organs of the body, how to do a liver flush, how to do a gallbladder cleanse, how to cleanse the colon in very simple ways. You're also going to learn about toxic emotions and how they can target specific body organs. You're going to gain an understanding on natural hygiene principles and how they can be applied. You're also going to become eligible to our advanced school and educational program on how to become a natural hygiene coach and possibly open your own lifestyle center like Bella Vita Lifestyle Center. For the low cost of this program, you will also receive 9 digital books. 6 of these I've written myself. The latest one I just published, called Detox. It's going to teach you how you can do a 10-day detoxification program, and it breaks it down on the symptoms of toxicity, why you should cleanse, and even testimonies on people that had some tremendous improvement in their health after they went through the program. There's other 2 beautiful books called The Ministry of Healing. This gives biblical principles on health mingled with the gospel of Jesus Christ. We also have The China Study by T. Colin Campbell, a beautiful book on disease and its causes. They called it the Grand Prix of Epidemiology by the New York Times. So please sign up today and join me as the director of Risen Online School. I'd love to be there to assist you and to see you further your education in natural healing. Thank you.